Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss the fundamental step to complete the data analytics project. Before going to start the discussion, you need to understand what is data analysis and what data scientists will do. Data analysis is a process of inspecting, cleaning and modeling the data with the goal to discover useful information for the business. And what data scientists will do? Data scientists work closely with the business stakeholder to understand their goals and determine how data can be used to achieve these goals. The data scientist will follow the following steps to solve the problem. The first step is to ask the right question to begin the discovery process. Then acquire the data. After that, once I acquire the data, process and clean the data. Whatever the data has been processed, integrate that data and implement one of the model to take the decision of our business. Now we will discuss each of the steps one by one in detail. First step is identify the problem. First of all, identify what exactly problem is so that we can able to translate the data question into actionable. When we build any model, first you need to think what type of data we have. So for example, if you are solving the problem to sale of your company, first you need to understand their goals and then to provide the solution for that problem. So data scientist asks the question to himself that who are the stakeholder, why customer buy our product, how do we predict the people is going to buy our product, and how to calculate the customer journey. So these are the questions need to ask to identify the problem. Coming towards the next step, get the raw data to solve the problem. Once the goal is defined, it's time to looking for our data. The mixing and merging of data from many data sources as possible. We know that the data is available in a different format. That may be structured, semi-structured and unstructured. Might be the data is collected from various sources like API or some website. That data we need to organize to solve the problem. Next step is step number 3, that is clean and process the data for the analysis. Now we have a raw data. Here we need to process before doing the analysis. The raw data is maybe structured, unstructured or it is not well maintained. So it contains certain errors or missing values, data range error. We have to find a solution to resolve these errors. So we apply certain technique to clean the data. Next step is step number 4, that is data enrichment. Once the data is clean, we can explore the data for various operations. The data enriching is by joining a data set. So we can enrich the data by joining the columns. Next step is to build the visualization. Once the data set is ready, so that we can start exploring it by using graph. We know that we have large data set, or we can say large volume of data to explore and communicate of our finding. Next step is the prediction or to design the model. By using machine learning algorithm, you can able to find a further insight and predict the future trends. According to the problem statement, we can use supervised and unsupervised algorithm to build the model. By using supervised learning algorithm, we can predict the future trends. Also by using historical data, we can use them to build the prediction. While in unsupervised learning, we can uncover the trends in the data that were not found in the graph and the charts. So this is very important step to design a model for the application. The next step is step number 7, final analysis and iterate the model. Once we implement the algorithm, then proper communication is the difference between action and inaction. The main goal is to prove the effectiveness of the data science project based on the accuracy of our model. So these are the important steps while designing the data analysis project. So these are the fundamental steps for data analysis projects. Hope you understand everything. If you have any question, you can write it in the comment section so that I'll give a more explanation of your doubt. I hope you like the content or I save your time. Please support the video by sharing with your friends. If you not subscribe my channel yet, then please do subscribe and press the notification bell icon to get the latest information. Thanks for watching this video.